28 and 31. Let's get into a little slub now, because we gotta whistle. Okay, sweater slub. 2,300 have been ordered in the last month, and we now have fewer than 1,000 to go around. This is beautiful. It's wear now transition dressing, 70% rayon, it's super silky soft, and 30% poly. So here is the blue and the orange. Allison, I'm in love. You need this.
I need that one so bad. Are we limited in that one though?
We're limited in all of them. And
I figured.
Here's the lilac and the green. This would go beautifully with the avocado top she has on. And then,
look at this.
Oh, stop it. Look at this pink and green. That is so fun and spring and cute. And right now, it's 5 extra, extra, extra small. It's a semi-fit, but I feel like that boat neckline and everything about it is like, I can almost feel the sunshine on my skin and hear the Christopher Cross playing in the background.
Yeah, you're ready for spring. That's telling me you're ready for spring, Mary. It 100% is telling me that. I want to give way to this. We're calling this a sweater, but y'all need to understand how lightweight of a sweater this is. This is 70% rayon meets 30% poly. So you're getting kind of that sweater slub. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So when you get up close, you're seeing, I love that shot, guys. Great shot. You're seeing where that poly meets that rayon. And that's why you're getting such a liquidy feel to a sweater. You're going to have all this bounce in this sweater because it feels so darn good. And because of the rayon, I'm sorry. But then you're going to you can wear this under something if you need to, because it's that kind of sweater. So I want everybody to know, yes, it's a sweater material, but it's a sweater slub. You could put a cardi, you could put something over this and it'll be just fine.
Easily. And you know what? I mean, all of them we are getting limited. We're going to give you some updates in each color as we go through. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Right here is pink green.
Mm.
There's 400 left. Here
Love that one.
is the lilac green. 300 left. And then here is the blue and the orange. There's 100 left there. So think about it. With your shorts to transition into warmer weather, with your cargos that are coming up, with your Flexibel. We have $29 Flexibel in this show.
What?
29er. Okay, we're going to talk about that too. But when it comes to pricing this morning, I don't know who was in charge, but I'm going to tackle hug them after this show.
Same.
This is a machine wash dry flat. Loving the color, loving the weight, and 3 easy payments is $16.33. Length ranges from 25.5 to 31.5 inches long. So Allison too, I think we could wear it with leggings, jeggings, our little Belle body. Super cute with Belle body.
Absolutely cute with Belle body. But look, even with these